now we are inside the portal. There's nothing really in here, so we want to make sure we start putting things in. So we've got the discussion, which would be as soon as you set up your community. You'll also see learning. If you had any courses, you would have those under learning. People would be in the community. Over here to the far right, you're going to see these 9 dots. These are your apps. So if you clicked on communities, you could see there's no communities here. Check back. If we clicked on courses, we don't have any courses available, so we're going to want to check back on that. If we come over here to affiliates, this is where they would actually manage their affiliate portal. Affiliates is great because you can actually add a referral program. So if you have a referral program, then your customers could actually come in and see how many people they've referred you, how much commissions they've made, and access any media to share photos and images. So you've got some really great things in here, and I only see this growing more and more as they begin to develop and enhance the portal. Things like housing documents, housing things like invoicing, contracts, estimates, proposals, anything that would relate to your client. Keep an eye out over here, and we'll add any new features to the client portal to this training course for you to be able to come back and check. Over here in the far right, this is where you will click your information. This is where you can edit your account. So the user can come in and edit their profile. They can click on account. When they click on edit profile, it takes them to the profile. Click edit account. It takes them to the edit account, and they can always log out. Let's go ahead and do edit profile, which really takes us to the account settings. So here I can actually add a picture of myself as a user. I can add a profile cover for myself. I can change my name. I can put in a description. I can enter my location, my time zone, and I can save. So I can have a user profile set up. When I select account, this would be my login and password, so we would see the actual email that we signed up with. We could also change our password inside of here by putting our current password and a new password as well. And as a user, I can add my phone number, my email, I can make it visible or not visible. These things are important because when you have a profile set up, if you start to have a community, let's say a community of all the people taking a specific course, or the community of affiliates, or just a community where you have all of your customers, certain paid customers in a specific community. This is great in helping them actually have a profile. We're used to profiles from using things like Facebook and LinkedIn when it comes to groups and communities. So creating a profile for the user is good because it really helps them add their picture, add their information, and share their company information and their profile. Great for networking and other kind of things that you may use the portal for. If you're creating courses for your customers, this is a great place for them to come in and access those courses. If you're selling courses, this is a great place to come in and create and sell those courses. We'll also have communities and then utilizing the affiliates. I see a lot more things coming and happening to this here in the near future, but that's going to get you inside, and set up. So you've created your login portal, you've set up your settings for your domain setup and your branding, which again, you can always come back in and change this. This is your main portal that you can set up. After you set up your portal, it doesn't really do anything if you don't have anything in it. So we want to start adding or creating communities, courses, and affiliates to be able to have something for your customers to come in and access. Having a community is great because you can set up a community for specific customers who buy specific products, depending on what they're purchasing with you, what programs they're on, what products they're using, or what services that you're providing. Having a community for people to be able to access new information, get the latest and greatest is important. And it's a great way to have your customers create and set up their own account with you with a client portal. When you come into marketing, you'll see the affiliate manager right here inside of marketing. So be sure to take the affiliate manager if you're looking at getting referrals or growing an affiliate program within your business. The other thing that you're going to want to do is go into memberships. This is where we're going to house all of our courses and our communities to be able to really have an impactful client portal for your customers to be able to access you, access certain courses, or just communities, groups, and making sure that they're up to date in all the information that you want to provide to your customers within your business. Again, the best way to get to sites is to go into sites, go to client portal. When you go into client portal, this is where you'll have your dashboard. You'll see that you've got users signed up for your dashboard. You've got a magic link you can generate. You can invite a customer or a client to the portal, or you can send in login details. Settings is where you'll set up your domain. You can come in and edit that branding. And that's how you set up your client portal. Keep an eye out for more videos coming soon. Until then, go set this up because you're going to want this when it comes to memberships and communities and affiliate training.
Oh,